Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2011 Cadillac STS, and on this STS we're going to go over how you would remove your decorative covers to your engine to be able to access fuses, air filter box, and anything else that's under them. So to start with, you would want to remove these two outside ones, then you can remove this inner one. This one really just covers the radiator and a few other things. Nothing is really under it, but we will remove that one. They are all held on by some push pins here, and so you would pop the push pins out. Like I said, you take this one off first because this overlaps this one right there. So the two outside ones off, two push pins here, and then you'll be able to just pull that panel off. And this one, two push pins, and be able to pull this panel off. And then the last one here, we're going to have to take our oil cap off and then be able to pick it up and pull it forward. Right, we've got these tabs here on the back that are holding it on, and we'll set that to the side also, and then be sure to put our oil cap back on just so we get no debris to go down into our motor while we're doing work on the underside. So now we have our cap, or all our covers removed to be able to gain access to the air cleaner, to the fuses, and anything else under their engine that we would like to take care of. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.